Hello and welcome to the Introduction to Probability and Statistics here at Galvanized Data Science Prep. In this course, we're going to talk about, we're going to work through an introduction of probability and statistics, which really form the foundation, the quantitative foundations of data science. Now, at this point, you've probably worked through at least some of our Python materials, and being an efficient computer programmer is definitely a very important part of being a data scientist, but equally important is to be a proficient mathematician. Specifically, most of the mathematics that we focus on as data scientists is has to do with statistics. Now, why this course is based on both probability and statistics is because modern statistics are really based on probability theory. So it's great to have you here in the course. Throughout this video series, we're going to be working through both some pencil and paper type of examples, but we're also going to be implementing as much as we can into code using some of the Python that you've already been learning with us, or maybe that you've known before you came into our prep program. So it's great to have you here. If you haven't learned any Python, go ahead. I'm going to put a link down in the description and you can get started on our introduction to Python. I would suggest that you go at least through our introduction to Python before you start over here in probability and statistics, but maybe even go through or get started on that intermediate material as well. And for those of you who might have found us on YouTube and are not students of our basic or premium prep, I'll put a link down in the description for you to join that free basic prep where you can actually access these Python tutorial materials that I'm talking about, as well as some materials to go along with this video, this video series about an introduction to probability and statistics with Python. So it's great to have you all here. Welcome to the course. I'll see you in the next video.